gun to my head. Said if you kiss a boy, I'm gonna shoot you dead. So I tied him up with gaffer tape and locked him in a shed. Then I went out to the garden and I fucked my best friend. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you.
Our freedom isn't up to them, it's only up to us. I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one to trust. Together we do whatever it takes, we're in this pack for life.
Fine. Remember, you wanted this.
Toes, they don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to learn things.
Ja nigdy nie chciałem zastąpić mojego ojca. Głównie ze strachu, że nie potrafię. No bo jak? Jak stać się kimś tak wspaniałym, tak odważnym, tak szlachetnym? Można się tylko starać.